Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to cool Manchester. Are you looking to retire or live a suburban lifestyle and grow a family just 1 hour from Kingston? This 5,000 square feet home was beautifully crafted by the famous Lincoln Perry. It sits on 0.25 acres of land. This home consists of 2 levels and a basement area. On the ground floor, there is a beautiful foyer with a grand staircase, formal living area, powder room, dining room, a large open concept kitchen with a breakfast nook. A one-bedroom self-contained flat can be used as an income earner or a mother-in-law's suite. Upstairs, you enter into a nice sitting area. To the left, there is the primary wing, a large room with a walk-in closet, primary suite with double vanity and shower. To the right, there are 2 large bedrooms and a bathroom. There is also a lovely back patio with a view. The yard is beautifully manicured and well maintained with enough space to build a pool like the neighbor. The house has 2 car garage and 2 7,000 gallon water tanks, 2 water heaters, 50 gallon backup electric system, and electric water pump in the pump room. This community is safe, quiet for you and your family to enjoy. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 650,000 or Jamaican $100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.